Ooh, the light in this. All right, we are about to go cook some legs off the bone today. Today's leg day. Got my pre-workout. Got my brother with me. Gonna be working out. Gang.
I don't even do that.
So really cook it off the bone today. Damn. And then probably a little bit of chest. Just you want to get some chest in?
I kind of want to get some chest in. I do want to get leg in because my legs are real tiny. So I mean.
Yeah, I got tiny legs. I got like.
You got tiny.
I got tiny legs, man.
What are you talking about?
My quads need a lot of work, so we're finna cook it off the bone today. Really season it with cayenne and flour, and then fry it off the bone.
1,000 floors, it's 808. I'm about to catch my wave. She amazed. I'm so unfazed.
Working on back hamstring now. Cooking it off the bone, man. Cooking it off the bone.
That looks heavy. Okay. That might kill me. You just count when I'm up. The legs. My legs, my guy.
Your legs?
My legs are tired though.
Yeah, they cooked? They cooked? They're already gone?
Yeah, they're cooking.
We got like five more workouts. Alright, so we just finished our warm-up session. Just a quick warm-up, get the blood flowing. May have seemed heavy, but gotta get them legs pumped. We got chicken legs over here, so now we're gonna head up to the upper level and work on squats, lunges, that cellular core, C4, man. It's tingling and it's getting the pumping real good, so let's get to work. Right now we're gonna get our squat on. Start with 10 because we've been cooking that shit off the bone today. So we're gonna superset it with some, I call them hexagon squats because they have the hexagon bar in it. I have no idea what I'm talking about, but we're gonna superset that with 25.
son.
So we just killed our legs, like we really killed that shit.
Fucking, just look at me, you can tell by what we just did.
And we finished off with some chest and stuff too, so it really
that was crazy.
It was crazy. Chest was crazy today, even though it was just a small workout. We got a good pump from it. You're gonna be back. Check out his channel. I'll put the description in the
we already lit over there.
Already lit over there. So make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below. Tell me what workouts you want to see. Ask me any questions. I'll put an Instagram link in the description at the bottom. So is Duelist.
I don't even know what I'm doing.
All right, y'all. You already know what to do.
Yeah.
Let's get it.